On your next one, do a jump. So if you did jump the first time, do a roll the second time. Brindley, you need to get up and go off some wow. Brindley, you're next.
Okay, Crew? Watch out, that's hurt your knees. Don't do it anymore.
You gotta run. Try again, Brindley. Okay, do opposite of what you did last time, guys. Miles, don't talk to Brindley. Look out, Costin. You got it, Randy. Okay, run fast. Run, 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 run. Try it again and get up this time. Brindley, you're going right after Miles. Come on. I have to show that girls can do it. Go. Okay, Brindley's going next. Good, Dylan.